Hi everyone, by the end of this video, you should know how to solve this math problem. Now, PEMDAS is saying, hey, you're going to start with multiplication. So what is 9 times 9? All right, so you drop the ninth finger, you got 8 and then 1. So the answer is 81. So I'll write 81. And let's bring that 9 plus down, divided by 4. Now we're looking at this. Going back to PEMDAS, PEMDAS is saying, hey, division goes first. So what is 81 divided by 4? I don't know. So let's write that in a fraction form to make the math fun and simple. 81 over 4. Let's bring the plus sign down. And let's bring that 9 down, but in a fraction form to make the math fun and simple. 9 over 1 equals 9. Does not change the 9. And now I'm going to erase this part for space. Notice that we're adding two fractions, but the denominators are different. So we're going to use the butterfly method, and I want to use a different color. Use purple. Let's use hot pink. Yes, hot pink. All right, so we're going to draw two wings, two antennas, and a body. So the first wing, 9 times 4, and here's the first antenna. So what is 9 times 4? So drop the fourth finger, 36, 36, 36, 36 there. Next, we draw the other wing and the other antenna. 1 times 81 is 81. And don't leave yet because I want you to figure out, well, you're going to figure this out, but I want you to see the mixed number answer and the decimal answer using long division. So right now, I'm going to show you the improper fraction answer. So let me complete this part. 1 times 4, this is the body, is 4. So our new denominator is 4. And now we're going to add 36 plus 81. So 6 plus 1 is 7, and 3 plus 8 is 11. So we have a numerator 117. And that cannot be simplified further. 117 over 4, that is it. This is the answer. But we're going to use this to help us find the mixed number answer and the decimal answer using long division. So I'm going to erase this and write the first answer to the other side of the board. So 117 over 4. And then I'm going to write the mixed number answer here, and then the decimal answer here using long division. So here's the long division. I want to use a different color this time. So here. So 117 will go inside the long division symbol. This is called the dividend. And the 4 is the divisor. It goes outside the long division symbol. Now, how many times can 4 fit into 1? You cannot. So we write a 0. How many times can 4 fit into 11? 2 times. Good job. And we multiply, right? 2 times 4 is 8. And we subtract. 11 minus 8 is 3. And then we bring down the 7, give it to the 3. Now the 3 becomes 37. Now, how many times can 4 fit into 37? Well, I know that 9 times 4 is 36, right? Double check. Drop the fourth finger, 3, 6, 36. That's close to 37. So you can fit 4 into 37 9 times. And 9 times 4 is, I just said it, 36. And we subtract. 37 minus 36 is 1. And so your remainder is 1. So now we can write our mixed number answer. So 29 is the whole number. 1, your remainder goes above the fraction bar, and 4 goes below the fraction bar. So the answer in a mixed fraction form is 29 1 over 4. And let's continue our long division so we can get our decimal answer. So how many times can 4 fit into 1? You cannot, so the 1 needs to borrow 0. So we add a decimal after the 117 and a 0. And then extend our long division symbol here. And then add a decimal after the 29 And so now we bring down the 0, give it to the 1, and now the 1 becomes 10. So how many times can 4 fit into 10? 2 times. And 2 times 4 is 8. And we subtract 10 minus 8 is 2. Now, how many times can 4 fit into 2? You cannot, so the 2 needs to borrow 0. So write a 0 there, bring it down. Now the 2 becomes 20. We ran out of space, so I'll write it here. Now, how many times can 4 fit into 20? 5 times, right? And 5 times 4 is 20. So I'll write it here. 20 minus 20 is 0. And so now we can write down our decimal answer, which is 29.25. And there you go. Now, if you would like to turn this mixed number into an improper fraction, all you have to do is multiply 29 times 4 plus 1. That's a plus sign, plus 1. Right? Let's do that just for fun. Let's erase all this. And that way you can see that. Here's the 29, 1 over 4. And what is 29 times 4? So 29 times 4. So 9, drop the 4, 36. 36. And then 4 times 2 is 8, 9, 10, 11. So you got 116. So that's 29 times 4, 116. And then you add what you have here, the numerator of this proper fraction. So plus 1 is 117 over 4. Easy. Look at that. So you turned a mixed number answer to an improper fraction answer. Fun, right? There you go. So now you have, oops, drop the eraser. Now you have 3 different answers, not just one answer. So your first answer is 117 over 4. The second answer, and that's called an improper fraction. The second answer is 29, 1 over 4. Mixed number answer. And lastly, your decimal answer, 29.25. That is your third answer. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to join the smartest community on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll draw you some happy faces. Here's a happy face, another happy face, another happy face, another happy face, another happy face, and another happy face. And yes, I did change my channel name from Jensine Explains to Jansenium. So there you go. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much, and please give this video a like. I put a lot of work into this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.